If you want to enlarge your penis at home, then the first thing you have done is something that I commend you on. You've opted against surgery. A whopping 87% of men regret having penis enlargement surgery after the operation. Unfortunately, there are still many who make mistakes in choosing how to enlarge your penis in the comfort of your home. I made all the mistakes and learned from them, and this is what I know. Penis pills to enlarge your penis. Penis pills are the most costly choice in the long term for enlarging your penis. While they appear cheap to begin with, after spending $50 a month for 4 years, as I did, you can see how much you could have saved. They certainly had an effect on my penis, but they didn't improve my penis girth or penis length, they just made me more horny. Add to that the fact that they have been found to contain lead, manure and E. coli, and I'm very nervous about taking them ever again. Penis extenders. Extenders claim to be the best form of male enhancement as you can wear it without anyone knowing that it's even there. However, despite what they say, this isn't a valuable form of penis enhancement. In the sales pages they use examples of the Kayan tribal women who place rings around their necks to make them longer. In actual fact, the neck isn't lengthened at all, the rib cage is slowly crushed over time. If you try to enlarge your penis this way, then you could be doing yourself serious harm. My penis was impotent and severely damaged for nearly 2 months after using a traction device to make my penis bigger. Penis exercises to enlarge your penis. Exercises involve an exercise called the jelq, or jelqing, which uses your hand as the extender device. It bursts blood vessels and can give you very long-term damage. I saw absolutely no gains. Natural penis enlargement methods. These never used to work because they weren't well informed enough, but science has paved the way to huge advances in our understanding and application of natural penis enhancement solutions. It takes the blueprint of a teenage boy and puts it onto your body. Why a teenage boy? Because that was the last time your penis girth and penis length grew naturally. This method worked for me, and over 6 months I saw over 4 inches in gains. If you want to enlarge your penis, the natural route is what I recommend. Click the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.